Welcome class third. I hope you people are doing your work on time and sending your homework. So the sixth chapter is completed. So today we will start chapter number 7, a pound of butter. Pound is a weight. Pound means approx half kg butter. So this is a story of a farmer whose name is John, and he is living in a farm. He has a farm. Farm is a land where farm animals live. Farm animals means like cow, buffalo, horse, hen, etc. And this farm is located in a village of Dillsbury. And this farmer John is the only farmer, not only he was the farmer in the village who is having cow and buffalo. So every villagers was taking milk, butter and cheese from the John, because only he is having cows and buffalo, and cow and buffalo give us milk. He was giving his product, means he was giving milk, butter and cheese to the village baker. Baker means who is having bakery. Mr. Smith is a baker. He is having bakery, and to Mr. Smith the farmer John was giving milk, butter and cheese for making bread, cookies and cakes. So daily John the farmer was going to the Mr. Smith and giving him milk, cheese and a 1 pound of butter. And the Mr. Smith, who was a baker, he was very good baker. His cakes was very delicious, soft and yummy. And John the farmer was also taking the bread from the Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith was loving to bake the things, and one day what happened, his bakes was not as delicious as they were having. They were not much spongy. So because of this Mr. Smith was very much upset and he was angry. He was thinking, what's the matter, what is my fault, why my cakes are not spongy and delicious. So the wife of Smith, Ada, asked him, what happened, why you are so upset. So Mr. Smith told, my cakes are not good today. I have made in a same process which I was using daily. And Mr. Smith is saying, I have used same amount of butter and same amount of egg, sugar, milk every day, and today also I have used the same amount of the things, but today's cake is a disaster. Disaster means today's cake is not good, it is damaged. Then Ada is saying, are you sure you haven't done any mistake? So Mr. Smith told, every day I am making this, and I can make the cake by closing my eyes also, and I haven't made any mistake. Why my cakes are not good and delicious? Then Mr. Smith think for making the new cake again, and he measured all the things very carefully and made the cake and keep in the oven. And after 40 minutes when he took out the cakes, he was again upset. The cake was not right. Then he thought, I always measure the flour, sugar and egg, but I never measure butter. Why? Because he was knowing that the farmer is giving 1 pound of butter daily. So he thought he should check the weight of butter again. Then Mr. Smith checked the weight of the butter, and he was very much shocked because weight of the butter was less than a pound. Then Mr. Smith went to the village headman, means chief. He went there and told all the things, whole story he has told. He warned that farmer John should be punished because he was cheating him. Then headman send a message to John for meeting him. So what happened? Next morning, both Mr. Smith and Farmer John was there in front of headman, and the headman said to John that Mr. Smith is saying you are cheating him because you are not giving 1 pound of butter, you are giving less than a pound. So if you want to say something? This is headman is saying to farmer. Then listen what John is saying. John replied, "Sir, I don't have weighing scale. He don't have machine, how he will measure?" So what John is saying? John is saying, I don't have weighing scale, weighing machine I don't have, and I am using 1 pound of bread which Mr. Smith is giving him for measuring the weight of the butter. So John was not weighing the butter with weighing machine, he was using the same bread which Mr. Smith was giving to the John. Then he is saying, if butter is not in a correct measurement, it means Mr. Smith is not giving me 1 pound of bread. So who is the cheater? Yes, Mr. Smith, because Mr. Smith is not giving 1 pound of bread. Because of that bread, John was not able to measure the butter in a correct weight. So headman looked hard. So headman was very angry at Mr. Smith because he was cheater. And then headman told, if you cheat others, it will always come back to you. If you will cheat, then it will come back to you. Then you will be cheated by others. Then Mr. Smith was very much upset and walked away very quietly. He was not having words to say anything. So students, open your English first copy, write today's date, and you have to read this chapter at least 2 or 3 times, underline the hard words. Lesson 7. A pound of butter. Firstly, we will write keywords. So you will write these keywords: FARMER farmer, VALLAGR villagers, DISASTER disaster, UPSET upset, CAREFUL careful, CHEATING cheating, MEASURE measure. Now write question answers and question answers. Question number 1 we will write from page number 68. Question number 1 is, why did the villager depend on a farmer John? So the answer is, the villagers depended on farmer John because he was the only farmer who had cows and buffaloes. Full stop. Write question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are the things farmer John supplied to Mr. Smith? So the answer is, the things farmer John supplied to Mr. Smith were milk, cheese, and 1 pound, butter, full stop. So students, read the chapter, underline the typical words and do keywords and question answers. Thank you.